Hello, viewers. Welcome back to the Universal Group of Institutes channel. Today, we are delving into a pressing topic, the recent eruption of Mount Ruang in Indonesia, triggering mass evacuations and raising tsunami risks. This event underscores the geological vulnerabilities of the region and reminds us of the immense forces at work beneath the Earth's surface. Mount Ruang, a formidable stratovolcano situated in North Sulawesi, Indonesia, has erupted 5 times in recent weeks. These eruptions have produced a substantial ash column, prompting authorities to raise the alert level to its highest. Eyewitnesses, including rescue personnel, have witnessed the volcano spewing fiery orange lava, while falling rocks have caused damage to nearby residences. This urgent situation has necessitated rapid evacuation efforts on Tagulandang Island and its environs. To gain perspective, let's reflect on past volcanic eruptions in Indonesia. The eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815 stands out as one of the most potent in recorded history, leading to the infamous year without a summer due to the massive volume of ash ejected into the upper atmosphere. More recently, the eruption of Mount Merapi in 2021 served as a reminder of the region's volatility and unpredictability. Indonesia's location along the Pacific Ring of Fire renders it susceptible to volcanic activity due to the constant shifting of tectonic plates. Speaking of tectonic activity, the Ring of Fire encompasses a vast area in the Pacific Ocean basin where numerous earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. The movement of major and minor tectonic plates, including the Eurasian Plate, Indo-Australian Plate, and Pacific Plate, plays a pivotal role in the frequent geological events observed in this region. Closer to home, India's own volcanic activity is exemplified by the Barren Island volcano in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which erupted notably in 2017. The volcano on the barren island of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is being closely watched to check for signs of an eruption which could lead to a tsunami or a monstrous undersea landslide akin to what had happened in Indonesia in 2018. Although less frequent compared to Indonesia, these events serve as significant indicators of the volcanic potential of the Indian subcontinent. In conclusion, the recent eruption of Mount Ruang serves as a poignant reminder of the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of Earth's geological processes. For students and enthusiasts alike, staying informed about these events offers valuable learning opportunities and underscores the ongoing need for disaster preparedness. For UPSC aspirants, understanding these events extends beyond current affairs. In the UPSC CSE 2017 exam, a question was asked in prelims regarding the specifics of volcanic activity in the Ring of Fire, emphasizing the importance of both general knowledge and geographical details, while in UPSC CSE 2021, there was a mains question asked which was, mention the global occurrence of volcanic eruptions in 2021 and their impact on regional environment. This underscores the complexity and relevance of staying abreast of not only current events but also their broader implications and historical contexts. The question was in respect to Barren Island. Thank you for joining us for today's discussion on the Universal Group of Institutes channel. If you found this informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay curious and keep learning by tuning with our website www.universalinstitutions.com.